Hello Junior 4, how are you? Hope you all are fine. In this video we will study lesson 2 in concept 2. This lesson is about sensory organs of nocturnal animals. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. But first, what the meaning of nocturnal animals? Nocturnal animals means they are animals that become more active at night. They are animals that become more active at night. To what? To search for food or to look for their food. So one more time, nocturnal animals, they are animals that become more active at night. But why these animals become active at night? There are 3 reasons. Number 1, in extremely hot places, the best time to look for food is the night because it's cooler. Number 2, some animals hunt prey which are available only at night. So these prey available at night. Number 3, some animals depend on darkness to hide to surprise its prey. Some animals depend on darkness to hide to surprise its prey. But how can nocturnal animals hunt without light in darkness? By using supersensory adaptations. Supersensory adaptations like what? Like echolocation or like sharp sight and sharp hearing. Let's study some examples of animals that use sharp senses to hunt at night. Number 1, bats. Bats depend on echolocation. As we said in the previous lesson and the previous video, like dolphins. Dolphins also use the property of echolocation. So bat and dolphin use echolocation to find their food or their prey. So why bats depend on echolocation? To help bats move around and find its prey. Prey like what? Like insects. So bats use echolocation to find its food and its prey at night. Number 2, owls. Owls have very sharp sight and hearing senses. So it sees very well and it can hear very well. Let's talk about structure of owl. Number 1, we will talk about owl's face. It has pole-shaped face. So its a face like pole. It has pole-shaped face with special type of feathers. Give reason it has pole-shaped face and special types of feathers in its head to direct distant sounds into the owl's ears. So it has pole-shaped face and a special type of feathers to direct distant sounds into the owl ears. Number 2, we will talk about its eyes. Owls have large eyes. Its eyes are big. Its eyes allow the owl to see tiny and far away prey. What the meaning of tiny? Tiny means very small. So owls can see very small and far away prey. Number 3, we will talk about owl's head. Its head has the ability to turn in all directions. Give reason for owl's head turn in all directions. To search for prey everywhere. search for praise everywhere. That's all about our lesson today. Thank you and see you soon in another video. Let me know if you have any questions.